Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review of my TV right here. But before I get into that, if you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more lifestyle and tech type videos, that'd be very much appreciated. But now we're going to get into this video. So this right here is the Vizio D40F G9 or the Vizio D-Series 40-inch smart TV. I got it at Costco for around $200, I think. It might have even been cheaper. It might have been on sale at the time. But it is a 1080p 40-inch smart TV. It is I like it. The quality is good enough for me. I don't need 4K. And I connect it to my computer with an HDMI cable. I also installed light strips on the back here, but that's beside the point. If you want to see the light strip video, there'll be a card at the top of the screen. But this TV it was really easy to set up to my Google Home over here. It's probably easy to set up with like Alexa. It also comes with an app. I use the app not too often, but the app is helpful as a remote via the app, which is nice. You can turn it off on. It also comes with a SmartCast feature where you can watch some of their free shows that already comes with the TV, which is very convenient. They're all pretty sure most of them are free, so you can make use of that if you would like. Also, the speakers, I do not have a soundbar or anything, so I use the speakers straight off the TV, which for $200 I think are very good. They're not perfect by any means at all, but I think for my purposes and just watching movies or TV shows every once in a while, the speakers work phenomenal in my opinion. I don't have a plan on upgrading them anytime soon. I think they work great. The colors are nice. It is only 1080p, not 4K, but like I said, for me it works. If you might need 4K, you might have to upgrade and not get this one, but it works great for me and probably a lot of other you guys. Yeah, but I highly suggest getting this TV. It works great with smart integration into your room, and I highly suggest picking it up. Links are in the description, and thank you guys for watching.